So you're about to see an adjustment on a 2.5-week-old. And I have the separate pieces of this and the adjustment itself, just because we were tight on time. I wanted to capture the adjustment, but I wanted to explain. So this little guy, Peter, is lying in a pregnancy pillow, which is hollowed out. And that's actually where he used to be lying when he was in his mom's stomach. So what I do with infants that young, I'll lie them on their back, and I'll get my hands underneath their spine. I'll reach in just to feel on either side of the very tiny, not fragile, but small spine, and just check for restriction. And I'll check up under the atlas and the upper cervical spine, and I'll check all the way down. And when I feel something imbalanced, like you'll see I'm holding under his pelvis, and I'm holding under his thoracic spine due to some colic he was experiencing that after a second adjustment today, after 2 days ago, drastically changed. And you'll see me holding his neck because we found he was favoring this position and even this one versus just sitting. And he's still getting his bearings on his head strength, his neck strength for sure. So a gentle pulsing pressure under the spine is all I use to adjust an infant. It's super gentle. You'll see he's extremely relaxed the entire time. You might make a little face, but the impact is huge in terms of protecting him from subluxations and nerve interference in the future. So enjoy this. Please leave any comments. Most people will be endeared and touched by this. Some might seem like, wow, how do you adjust someone so small? But it is such a gentle technique compared to what we do on adults. And there's everything in between with 5-year-olds, 10-year-olds, 20-year-olds, and 90-year-olds. So enjoy. So now we're going to check under there. Yeah. Oh yeah, you just needed a milk fix for sure. He's like, So, just gentle lifting under that sacroiliac joint to keep that safe for preventing hip dysplasia issues. The carrier that you've got, his hips go up, yes?
Well, I have.
Or it's wide?
I actually have a wrap, so because he's a newborn, his legs
tucked in?
he's tucked in.
One thing to watch is with a carrier, early stages, is that he stays hips, like legs out to the side.
Yeah, yeah. Kind of like in the frog position.
Exactly.
Oh, you're good.
Just holding easy leg pressure. Like it's all good. I'm just going to recheck that digestive zone. Any difference between Tuesday?
Yes, yeah. He had a bit of fuss Tuesday night, but not anywhere as bad as he had been, and then last night he was totally fine.
Beautiful. Yeah, it's that mid-thoracic zone, which is a good digestive control. Right where my hands are. Right across almost the nipple line. You keep that colickiness somebody else's problem.
Yeah, that was a good change.
Beautiful.